Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through my tips to help your Facebook posts go viral and generate you more jobs for your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting you booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, we work with guys like you and we get you completely booked out with jobs. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. My fourth tip is really establish the aim of your post. Decide in terms of figuring out what to post. It's important to take a minute to consider what your goals are. Is your goal to get more jobs? Is your goal to make your customers more aware that they might have a problem? Is it more direct? You've got a special offer running for the holidays. You want people to book straight in. Are you trying to do something educational? So sit down and figure out what it is you're trying to achieve, and that's going to dictate exactly what the post is going to be. For example, it's more educational. It might well be like a short video, maybe with some subtitles, where you're discussing, giving some hints and tips about maybe getting a stain out of the carpet and what chemicals to use. If it's more direct response, you might trying to push an offer. You want to make sure the headline talks about the offer and the content considers what you're trying to do as well. So if you're trying to push an offer, it might be a video, carpet being clean, and a text overlay with the offer on it and some kind of scarcity, limited slots available. So have a think about what you're trying to achieve, and that's going to hopefully give you some ideas around what type of content to actually make. So recently a survey was conducted asking people about sharing third-party content, i.e. clicking the share button on somebody else's Facebook content or posting a link from a website. And they asked people about that, and we can see here that 48% of people say, I share things that my friends will find interesting. Let's say you are a homeowner, you're 39 years old, you've got 2 children, you work from home, you're really into homemaking, doing your house up, making it look nice, and home furnishings and stuff like that. And your circle of friends is really into that as well. You've got similar interests. Maybe you attend a weekly sewing club or something like that, and you're making your own curtains for your new home that you recently moved into, and there's another 25 people that you hang out with, they're doing the same course. And then you see a video for carpet cleaning and a special offer. You might share that because it's interesting to your friends, right? They might also be interested in getting their carpets cleaned ready for the holidays. So 48% of people said that they share things that they believe their friends will find interesting. The other 17% share things that they believe their friends will have some sort of emotional reaction to. So happiness, sadness, anger, etc. So for example, let's say you see a really funny video that's hilarious. You might share that because you think your friends might find it funny as well. In the world of floor cleaning or carpet cleaning, again, let's say you've got a video and the carpet is shockingly bad. Let's say there's some dog feces all over it. It's disgusting, makes you want to puke. And then you come in and you make it look new, and it's oh my, it's almost like magic. So this is the kind of thing that, again, it's emotional, shock at how bad the carpet is. So things, sensationalism, people will share things like that. And then you've got 11% that share things that their friends will find useful, so on and so forth. But yeah, I think most people are taking their friends into consideration when sharing things. Think about that. Posting things that are interesting, posting things that are going to have some kind of emotional reaction. If you do those two things, people will share them. So here's a example going back to the ultimate headline formula. Number versus adjective versus keyword and rationale plus promise equals the ultimate headline. 5 tried and tested ways to remove wine stains from your carpet. So we've taken all of those elements in that formula, put it together. Now that's an interesting post. It's educational, it's offering value, it's interesting. This is the kind of thing that somebody might share with their friends because it might be interesting to them as well, because it's educational, how to get wine stains out of their carpet, and it's probably a problem that all of these people have had to contend with in their lives. So this is the kind of thing that might go viral, that might get more eyes on your business. So the conclusion: make your content useful and informative enough to share. Create highly relevant, useful and educational content. It's an easy way to improve your chances of going viral and get more eyes on your business. To increase your social media shares, make your content easily digestible and shareable. Think short form videos with tips on carpet cleaning, or maybe some interactive content. Sharing tips and tricks of the trade is a great way to increase engagement and reach your audience. It also provides authority because you look like the expert in the industry. They're likely always after more intel, more education, so the more you can provide, the better. Make entertaining and emotionally appealing posts. For example, a super popular Facebook content idea is sharing behind the scenes photos of your carpet cleaning business. There are many ways to do this. Show before and after snaps. Have some posts introducing your employees, like your techs. You could do like a little video and they just say, hey, my name's Gary, I'm a tech at ABC Steamers, happy to serve you and the people of the community. Boom. You could have bloopers or other videos, you know, something funny, maybe like somebody tripped a tech over like one of the pipes or something like that, and like it was kind of funny. All of these things will get shares, all of these things will get likes, all of these kind of things will get more eyes on your floor cleaning business. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, get you booked out with jobs on autopilot, head to the description below where you'll find all the necessary information. See you on the next one. Cheers.